had subsided and silence took over man's randy dominion. It vanished for good. Cry if you like to, shed all of those tears. No imagination or realization nor miscalculation could make it happen, reappear. A sudden murmur came from afar, dissolved the stillness in which I bathe. Drunks going home lost the leash of their tongue. Screams and laughter, and out of tune the song once again. The quiet came knocking hush hush on my door, yet it wasn't nearly as peaceful as it had been before.